How you doing, all ladies and gents? On this video I'm going to show you how to replace your ball joint, so keep tuned. Let's do this on your mk3 supra. Fashioned way, because my brother's got the impact gun, so yeah, no other choice. Right, let's show you what happened here. As you can see, the ball joint come away from the rest of it. What I'm planning on doing, because I attempted this yesterday, this bolt behind here would not come out. I'm going to remove the one for the shock, move the shock out the way to get that back bolt out. We've got the two nuts underneath, I'll show you in a second. That's the one for the shock, that's a 19mm as well. Disgustingly oily, yeah, I've got to change that very soon because that's not good. But yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3 19mm nuts that we need to remove for the ball joint. Wow, we're doing both sides obviously, don't just do one side, do both. Right, we're just undone the 19mm nut for the strut, so hopefully I'm gonna just try to pry that out and yeah, basically give us a bit more room. I've just put the nut back on and I'm gonna tap it ever so slightly and free it up just like that. Right, as you can see, it's moved it that ever so slightly. I'm going to see if I can get that bolt or not, and then after basically try to get that back in. Yeah, don't forget your axle stand, yeah, needed. Anyways, let me just show you quickly. Yeah, now I've got the socket out. Oh, slowly but easy take that out, hopefully move that literally that much out the way. That's all you need, it out the way. Apparently you don't need to take that out, but look at that. Slide that out. So here's the ball joint that I ordered. Yamato! Ordered both sides. There it is, brand new, beautiful. And you got the pin for the top, which will go through there after, once we're done. Not like that, but you know, same as that. Just match up the two. Identical, beautiful. Right, after you got that pin out, we need to take this out, and most probably that's going to be turning, so yeah, we need to get some grips onto that. And thankfully managed, basically by getting my foot there, couldn't get that in there, couldn't get that in there. Doing it, and after all that we have one ball joint. Brand new one. Let's get in. Right, basically in reversal side, let's get that out of the way, put up on my knee, not the best of places. There you can see the hole, that one's in there. Maneuvering get round slightly. Yes, we are in there. I'm just going to get the nuts in loosely. That's proper wedged itself in there. This is not fun. Right, ladies and gents, thankfully she's all back together with the new ball joint, and I've torqued everything up. I was struggling basically to get that bolt in because a rookie mistake of putting the jack axle stand in the wrong place, but otherwise everything's torqued up, new ball joints in, gonna get the wheel back on, and yeah, just make sure got no movement. That's not good. That's good. That's not good, I think. Right, ladies and gents, not gonna lie to you, I struggled on the driver's side. I'm on the passenger side now because thankfully we learnt from the other side. First of all, what I've done, removed the pin for the ball joint there. Also, I've undone this bolt for the strut there, so I can get that back bolt out. Theoretically, got to take out the 3 nuts from underneath, pop the ball joint out and get the new one in. So let's get going. Right, old ball joints out. Had to do it with the old fashioned way with the old hammer, but yes, not bad, better than the other side, but always do them in a pair. Like, look at that, barely any movement, beautiful. Let's get it. Oh, this was way overdue, and for all of you lot that don't know, yeah, basically while I was driving the wheel collapsed, and yeah, let's just consider myself lucky. Yeah, you got to play around with this one a bit. Right, with a wiggle and a struggle, we're in. Now, time to get the back one in. Like so. Let's get the nuts on. Right, all those nuts are in. Let's get that into position. Wow, I wish the other side was as easy as this. But yes, that's in. Nicely get into position like so. And tighten it up and torque it all up. Nice brand new ball joints. Still got a lot more to do to this car, but for now, doing the ball joints, and I'm taking her out for the drive, considering it's the weekend. Woo! Right, apparently this one is 22 pounds-foot of torque, so let's get that tightened up. As you can see, it's not at 22 pounds-foot of torque. Oh right, and it doesn't help that just keeps turning. So, as you ladies and gents seen the video, we did struggle a bit, and thankfully it's going to help you to not make the same mistakes that I did. And yeah, thankfully it's done and it's good. We're driving the Supra again. It feels nice. Plenty more work to do. But please, please, please do hit that subscribe button, comment, and keep tuned. And just a little reminder, we're working toward 500 subscribers. And once we hit the target, there's going to be a giveaway. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button. And we'll get more videos out there. And yeah, keep blessed and stay positive, y'all, during this lockdown. And we'll keep more content coming out there for you. Peace out.